So hey guys, so here I want to show you guys this awesome product. This is for a 2017 to 2019 Honda CR-V. It's the wireless phone charger. If you guys see my other videos, you know I'm a huge fan of the car QI wireless chargers. These ones are plug and play, so you don't have to do any wiring. You just plug them in and they fit perfectly in the spot that they're designed. This one has an on-off switch even, which is nice, and has a little LED light just like the OEM one. Really nice piece here, guys. I would highly recommend getting these. It saves way more than the OEM one does, and it works just the same. So I'll show you what you get here. You get the charger itself, the pad, and then they give you the USB connector here that just plugs in the back of this, and then it plugs in to this adapter they give you, so you don't have to go buy one of these, to go in your 12 volt, and just plugs right in there. Plug and play. Instant. As soon as you turn your ignition on, it'll come on. Really nice, guys. If you guys are thinking about getting one, I would definitely check out carqiwireless.com. They have so many different wireless chargers for many applications, so definitely check them out. And I'll show you the video here of the install from the actual company here. Okay, so this is them. Here's what you're getting. You're getting the plug and the USB here. And I don't know if you really want to call this an install video, but I mean, it's so simple. And you get the rubber pad here that you can take off and wash if you need to. But it makes it so if you have a phone with no case on it, it doesn't slide around either. It's super grippy, so that's a good thing. So there's the plug. You just plug the USB in there. And then plug the other end to the adapter here. It's nice to give you that too, so you don't really have to buy anything for this. And then right here is the outlet you're going to plug it into, and you see this cutout here. That's what it's going to utilize. And it's perfectly made for this too, so it sits so flush in there. Doesn't move around. It's nice how they design it. It's meant for the car. So I've looked at other ones, and I always go back to the car QI wireless chargers because they're just the best ones out there. I mean, look at, you slide it in like that, and then slide it toward the front, and it locks in there just like that. And then put the mat in. And it's nice, it's removable too. If in case you get something on it, you don't have to worry about the electronics and all that. You just take it off. So very nice, guys. And it's nice it has a power switch too, so you don't have to unplug it if you wanted to kill power to it for whatever reason. If you wanted to, I don't know, set keys on it or nothing, you're not going to mess it up. So there you go, guys. Straightforward. So if you guys have a 2017 to 19 CR-V, definitely check them out below. I'll put a link in the description. Like I said, I personally use one on my own car. Love it. It's the only thing I would buy. I wouldn't waste my money on the OEM one. They work the same. You know, and the nice thing is if you sell your car, you can just take this out, you know, to like undo your car, like all the trim and stuff to get to it. So I hope that helps you guys out. Everyone's doing good, and I will talk to you guys later.